Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits from Atta full guide. Start by weighing 2 cups Atta and 3 tablespoons ghee, then sift and mix with 1 teaspoon salt. Rub ghee into Atta until crumbly, then add chilled water 1 tablespoon at a time until a soft dough forms. Rest dough covered for 20 minutes, then divide into even portions ready for rolling and shaping. Gently roll each dough portion to about 3-5 inches across and keep thickness even for consistent baking. Arrange biscuits on a lined tray, brushing tops with a little milk or ghee for color. Bake at 200 degrees C for roughly 12 to 15 minutes until golden and set, then cool on a rack to retain crisp edges. Serve fresh with tea or store in an airtight container for up to 3 days. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tutorials. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite seen here, perfect for keeping recipes and notes by your countertop. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and consider picking one up if you love reading while you cook. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with simple swaps like 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 teaspoon baking powder for lift, or fold in herbs and cheese for savory biscuits. Use chilled ingredients to keep dough crumbly and avoid overworking it to maintain flaky texture. If you want crispier edges, brush tops with melted ghee and extend baking by a few minutes while watching closely. Share your favorite variation in the comments so others can try it too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.